Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Trendyol promo codes 2025. So this is trendyol.com website where you can find bunch of different men's and women's fashions items. Now in order to find the promo codes for Trendyol, you just have to simply open new web browser tab, and then you just have to simply search for Trendyol promo codes 2025. Now here you will see a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you 90% off, 60% off promo codes. So you just have to simply open these websites in a new tab one by one, and you just have to take a look at the promo codes that they are offering. For example, I opened rezeem.com.ae website, and over here you just have to simply scroll down and you just have to click on the show coupon code on the deal in which you are interested. As you can see that I can get 85% off on home and kitchen essentials. So if you are interested in this deal, you just have to simply click on it, and this is the coupon code they are providing you. So you need to copy this code from here, and you just have to simply come to Trendyol. Now when you purchase the items in home and kitchen category, you can get 80% off on your order. So you just have to simply use this code at the time of checkout, and you are done. You can even find different types of promo codes on different types of categories here. So you just have to simply click on the show coupon and you can use the coupon code. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.